What's up, guys? In last video we check how we are going to do the Google map, and in this video we are going to understand how we are going to create the tree map. So for adding the tree map, we need to go add a chart and click here, and we will scroll down and get need to click on the tree map. And once we drop here, so it will take some dimensions and matrix automatically. So it takes few seconds for setting up on the dashboard, and till then we need to discuss about the tree map. Like tree map, we use the tree map for representing the data in form of hierarchy, because it's in hierarchical form. So hierarchical structure, like we can understand by help of one example, like father, then son, then sons, like this. So it's in hierarchy, like first bigger, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, like that. So till then the data is going to be set, like I'm his date, and this is the customer order ID. So we are going to change in the category, like we need to check the category through the category. We can see here like three record count according to category. So the darker blue is showing highest number of record counts. So and then last, so it's showing the darker is highest number of the record counts. We are going to change with the country. So country is going to showing uh, according to the country is showing darker one is the higher, and then lower, then lower, then lower. Color is separated according to the number of record counts. So uh, we are going to change the record count. So this is the last one is showing the last record count. That's why the color. So I am going to change the matrix to sales, and click on the record count, and we'll change the matrix to sales. So we can see the map, tree map here, how it's going to be represent. Okay, so this is the way how we can create the tree map, and we can represent the data. Like darker color is showing the higher sale, and then less darker is showing the lowest sale, and totally white color is showing like it's smallest sale. So we can change the theme. We went to style, and we can change the color. Like higher color is going to be green, and middle is showing lighter green, and then lighter green, and then lighter green. It's showing it's changing according to the number of sales, according to the number of the sales. So it's very easy to create the tree map in Google Data Studio, because it's a very important part of the Google Data Studio. We can easily represent the data, easily understand the data higher according to the color. So in this we have the same options, like we can change the text color, like we change the text color into red, and back to normal. So by the help of this we can change the background color, we can change the, and several options is there, as I already understand in the previous video. So if you want to create a tree maps, then it will be great for in your representation. So tree map is a very important part. We can click here on the view. We can see in the view mode it's very attractive, and very dashing in creating the reports. So tree map simple and easy to understand. If you guys have any concern, that's it in the video. If you have any concern, you can like, share and subscribe, and comment below so that we can answer your queries. Please share, subscribe on my channel, and motivate us so that we can create a informative video.